So we're going to do a quick talk about filling our bacteria samples here in the Yukon. We have our environmental health department that requires samples from every water plant in the Yukon once every 2 weeks. So what we do is we come into our sample point, we let it run to flush your lines because we don't want to sample what's been sitting in the lines. We want to sample what's coming from the source. So we flush our lines out for, let's say, 20 minutes, and we fill it up to our at least 200 milliliter line. And you're going to crack it. And when you open these, you're going to make sure you don't want to touch anything inside there or inside the cap. And there will be a powder in there, which is sodium thiosulfate, which will kill the chlorine once you pour it in here. So they want to be able to grow bacteria in here if there's bacteria present. And once you take your sample, you have to fill your paperwork. You got a sample location, date, time, your free available chlorine readings. You got to locate mailing address, who the test is for, and then they come through and they will measure the temperature on this. They wanted to see about 4 degrees Celsius. They do not want frozen samples or samples that have been heated up. So whenever you grab a sample, have a cooler pack with an ice pack in it to keep your samples cold until you drop them off at the lab.